What if the hearing you thought was lost forever could suddenly come back? A radical gene therapy is rewriting what's possible for millions with hearing loss right now. Scientists have developed a gene therapy that delivers a working version of the OTOF gene, which is essential for transmitting sound signals from the ear to the brain. This therapy showed dramatic results, restoring nearly all hearing in a 7-year-old patient within 4 months. This breakthrough targets a root genetic cause of hearing loss, offering hope beyond traditional hearing aids or cochlear implants. Many people delay seeking help due to common myths about hearing loss, thinking it's untreatable or inevitable with age. However, experts emphasize that early intervention is critical. Understanding facts over myths can lead to timely treatments, improving patients' social, emotional, and cognitive well-being. Gene therapy could soon add a powerful tool to this early intervention arsenal. If ongoing trials continue to succeed, the software controlling this gene therapy system will be made open source and freely accessible to audiology clinics around the globe. This approach aims to make advanced hearing restoration widely available, especially for families of children with disabling hearing loss, who currently face limited options. This gene therapy specifically targets mutations in the OTOF gene, a common cause of genetic deafness in children. By addressing the underlying problem at a molecular level, it offers a chance for these children to experience hearing almost as if they were never deaf. Early diagnosis and treatment could transform their development and integration. While current success centers on OTOF-related hearing loss, researchers are optimistic about adapting similar gene therapies for other genetic causes. This could usher in a new era of personalized hearing care, moving beyond assistive devices toward actual restoration of hearing function. If you or a loved one struggles with hearing loss, this breakthrough gene therapy could change everything. Early diagnosis and care are more important than ever. Stay informed and subscribe now to get the latest updates on revolutionary treatments that could restore your hearing and your life.